Yeah. Woo! Looking good. Feeling good.
So what are we doing?
I'm finishing the seat, and I think you're gonna fix the engine covers, right? Because something happened to those.
Something really bad happened to the engine covers. When we refitted the clutch and brake master cylinders, we had to refill them with brake fluid and bleed the system. And in case you don't know this, brake fluid is cancerous and highly abrasive fluid that will eat away any paint in its way. So spilling any fluid during bleeding is not recommended, or you will end up like us, redoing work.
So this is what part? So this is the top covers, right?
Yeah. So since this is a flat 4 engine,
Yeah.
and not an inline 4, the top covers is actually on the sides.
Oh,
Perfect.
look at that. So what's the rule about putting back the bolts?
Oh yeah. So every time I take out a bolt or a screw, I always put them back where they belong. That way I don't have to look for them later.
Yeah. Because we've done that before, right?
That's how you learn.
I remember we had this cardboard map of all the bolts for the engine.
You just map out the engine on a cardboard and you put the bolts where they belong. So we have like a map of.
Maybe we should make a video about that. How to make a bolt map for the engine, or
For sure.
the radiator kind of looks like this single-use barbecue thing.
Yeah.
It's exactly the same.
The cover thing. Yeah. But did they have these single-time use barbecue thingies in 1984?
Maybe not. But maybe someone was out camping with their Goldwing and was like, oh, we need something to prepare the food.
And that's how they invented the single-use barbecue.
We can't really tell you for sure that's true. But what is true is that we had to remove the radiator to access the bolts that holds the timing belt cover. After that was done, we sanded the covers and started putting the seat together.
Yeah, so that's the mathematical pattern that you should use to apply glue.
Wasn't that this Fibonacci spiral?
Yeah, that's right. Gives it that super strength, so it won't come off. Det bra, juksa lite. Hopefully no one will ever have to take this apart. And then you can just leave whatever secrets in here. So, let's see how this can get on here right now. And you can see here that how much we've actually shaved off from the original foam. Because this used to be, yeah, of course, at the end of the plastic underneath here. So we shaved off about, I would say, a good 5 centimeters. Like the original seat had like a full sofa kind of thing going on in the front with this sort of cushioning for the back, and then you have the full seat in the. So we actually deconstructed the whole seat, took away this part that used to be here, and then we just took the back seat attached to the front seat and sort of.
But it's shorter here as well, right? It's like.
Yeah, that's true.
Because it used to be so much longer.
You can see here, we've cut off a part here, and then we took off about 10 centimeters of the length, just to make it shorter, make it more neat, but still trying to use the original cover. And as you can see, I'm pretty satisfied with how this came out. And now we're just gonna pull and push and staple it together, and it's gonna be awesome!
So Mickey forgot to remove the lens cap again, so all the stapling It's behind the lens cap, but it's done.
It's done. Pretty excited about this result. Here we go. There it goes.
Looks really good.
Look at that. Yeah. Woo. Looking good. Feeling good.
So
What's that?
what's left?
A whole bunch. It's a bunch of electrics, headlights, blinkers, braking lights.
Are we gonna fix the lights for the next time? Or do we want to fix the whatever is gonna go up here?
Yeah, the instruments and everything.
What you see here inside this is the original instrument panel. So we made this in wood because it looked so cool. But the wood thing is not gonna fit.
It's
this
gigantic.
style. Yeah, and it's huge. So we're not gonna do that. I spent so many hours on this that it really hurts. So we're gonna change this a bit. I think. What do you think if we take this temp gauge and fuel gauge and all the lights and we just implement them in here?
Is it room?
Yeah, there's a lot of space in here.
That would be awesome.
Right, and then we skip the rev thingy.
Yeah.
We don't want that.
No, you can hear it.
Yeah, you can hear it. And then we just take the speedometer and make one.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Should we make it out of wood?
Just a small one?
Just a small one for this.
Yeah, that could be a thing. If we make it a round. Yeah, well,
Yeah.
let's try.
We'll try that.
Yeah, cool.
Alright.
It's gonna be an awesome bike.
In the next episode, I customize the brake rotor and fit the engine covers, and Mikkel makes a prototype of the speedo housing, and then he makes the real deal.